Here we have a used Strasser Deluxe Steirische button accordion. This is in great condition. It's in the key of G, C, F, B flat, has 3 middle reeds, 46 keys on the right hand, in the traditional setup, with the gleichtone in the second row, third row, and fourth row, and they are all marked on this accordion, so that is a nice convenient added feature. On here, on the left hand, we have the very strong and excellent Helikon reeds. Okay, and here we have the air bar, which is much more efficient than the old palm button air system that they would have on some of the older Strassers. This instrument is the regular traditional Steirische setup for a Strasser button accordion. So I'm going to play all of the notes in each row, going in so that you get the tonic key in G. And the second row. Going out on the second row. Going in on the third row. Going out on the third row. Going in on the fourth row. Going out on the fourth row. On the left hand, it is the very traditional regular setup. The fourth row, inside row, bass, going in, out, third row, in, out, second row, in, out, first row, in, out, with an extra alternator counter bass. Now you will notice that that button is doubled over here, and you're down on your counter row, you have the D. That bass note is doubled there. And then going out, you get your 4 chord from the fourth row. So D and E flat. Then going above that, you have your minors. A minor, D minor, E7, A minor, and then as I said, that was